New Jersey's largest city has come up with their own plan on how to reopen. Monica Guy is in Newark, where the mayor explained what his plan means for residents and visitors.
My number one priority is the health and safety of the residents of the city. The other stuff is secondary.
Newark Mayor RAS BARAKA unveiled a 3-phase plan to reopen the city. Ideally, each phase will last 14 days. If there is no significant spike in new COVID-19 cases, in those 2 weeks, the next phase will begin.
We don't want to see spikes, and we want to, when we get through this, we want to take as many people with us as possible over the line. We don't want to leave people behind.
The colors red, yellow, and green will be used to indicate risk level.
Notice we don't have one that says no risk, because as long as there's no vaccine or cure, you are still at risk.
Phase 1 is expected to begin on June 1st. A technology task force will be created to make sure the entire city has Wi-Fi. Isolation and quarantine protocols will be put in place. Businesses will need to submit a safety plan to the city before being allowed to reopen. Earlier this week, New Jersey retailers were allowed to open for curbside pickup, and it led to problems in Newark.
They had people trying on sneakers on the sidewalk, people getting their nails done on the sidewalk.
The color-coded system advertises the COVID-19 risk at a location. At every level, people are reminded to wash their hands, cough or sneeze into tissues, and avoid touching their face. High risk is red. Face masks are mandatory. Gloves recommended. Anyone with serious health conditions should not be there. Moderate risk is yellow. People will still have to wear masks and gloves will be encouraged. Folks must practice social distancing and minimize the amount of time they are there. Low risk is green. That means face coverings are not mandatory, but recommended, as is social distancing. During phase 1, rec centers and parks will remain closed. Church services will continue to be online. And the city's 311 phone number will have a dedicated COVID-19 hotline. At NJ PAC in Newark, New Jersey, for Chasing News, I'm Monica Guy.
Thank you, Monica.